My name is Anne and I am currently a master's student in Consumer Analytics and Marketing Strategy in University of Leeds. And today I would like to take you guys on a day with me as a business student.
First, I visited the Career Center to set up an appointment to prepare for my job application.
In the Career Center, they have many events and workshops that help students to improve our skills to prepare for our job applications in the future after we graduate.
Next, I have a seminar for digital marketing module. I really like attending seminars because this is an interactive way of learning and we can receive many valuable feedback from our lecturers. After my time in class, I would spend some time for self-study in the study center at business school. I ended the day by visiting an in-campus gallery by Marks and Spencer. They have an exhibition building in our campus, which I find really cool.